Jose Portasio Rizal, Mercado y Alonso Realonda. Para sa akin, no, siguro para maipamulat sa mga Pilipino ang mga hindi kanais-nais at mga yung hindi mga mabubuting gawain o ginawa ng mga pare at mga dayuhang Espanyol sa ating bansa o sa mga Pilipino. Siguro yung paninindigan, yung respeto, yung paglaban or pagtama sa mga baluktot na gawain o sistema at saka yung pagmamahal. Siguro yung namulat tayo, nagkaroon tayo ng kalayaan, mabuting edukasyon at marami pang iba. Siguro ipagpapatuloy lang yung mga kabataang Pilipino yung pamana ni Rizal is kung maniniwala sila sa history ni Rizal o maniniwala sila sa mga ginawa ni Rizal. Diba, mag-aaral naman tayo, diba? So, there's a lesson in history of the Philippines, no? So, dun nakikita natin, nababasa natin yung mga ginawa ni Rizal sa ating bansa para magkaroon lang tayo ng kalayaan. Siguro, yung maniwala tayo sa ginawa ni Rizal. Kasi kung naniniwala tayo, gagawin natin. Diba? Kasi kung naniniwala tayo, naman talaga tayo, gagawin natin yung isang bagay. Kung hindi naman tayo naniniwala, hindi natin gagawin. So, para maipagpatuloy ng mga kabataang Pilipino yung pamana ni Rizal, so dapat paniwalaan at maniwala yung mga bata na itong ginawa ni Rizal is pwede rin gawin ng mga kabataang Pilipino sa kasalukuyan.
Number 1 question. What is the full name of Dr. Jose Rizal?
The full name of Dr. Jose Rizal is Jose Portasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Realonda.
Number 2. Why did Rizal wrote Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo?
The reason why Dr. Jose Rizal wrote Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo are for freedom. He published these novels as an instrument against the Spanish friars.
Number 3. What lessons from Rizal's life are still relevant in the Philippines today?
The lessons from Rizal's life still relevant in the Philippines include the importance of education, civic duty, patriotism, and integrity in addressing issues like corruptions and inequality.
Number 4 question. What do you think is the most significant contribution of Rizal to the development of our nation?
His greatest contribution was awakening Filipino nationalism and inspiring the fight for freedom through his writing, notably Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo.
Last question. How can young Filipinos continue Rizal's legacy?
The young Filipinos can continue Rizal's legacy by promoting national unity and love for the country, advocating for social justice and equality, supporting environmental protection, and contributing to national progress through education, innovation, and responsible journalism. They can also emulate his kindness and service by volunteering and their communities, fostering courage and resilience and embracing lifelong learning to become catalyst for positive change. That's
Thank
all.
you.